Now, today's phonics activity, you are going to need a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen, because you are going to have to write down the sound that I say. Now, these are some of our phase 5 sounds. So as I point to them, I will remind you of what they are, just in case you've forgotten. So this one here, A and a Y, makes A. This one here, U and an E, can make oo, or it can make a U sound. So it can make oo, like in blue, or U, as in rescue. This one here, it makes an sound, like bird. This one, up and a makes like phonics. And an make ow, like cloud. And an make o, like toe. And an make or, like autumn. And a y make oi, like boy. So a, oo, u, ow, o, or, oi. Okay, I'm going to say one of these sounds and I want you to write it down as quickly as you can. Okay, are we ready? The first sound I want you to write is like alphabet. Which letters have you used? Did you get it right? It's a P and a H. Alphabet. The next sound I want you to write is A, like stay. A. It's an A and a Y. A. Next one I'd like you to write is or, like in the middle of launch. Which one is it? Or. Did you get it? It's an A and an or. Next one I'd like you to write is ow, like in the middle of loud. Ow, d. What sound would be ow in the middle of that? Did you get it? It's this one, an and an Next one I'd like you to write is oo. Which of these sounds will make oo, like in glue? G or oo. Did you get it? It's this one. Okay, next up is like in first. Write down the sound that makes like first. St, first. What's that sound? Did you get it? It is this one. Next up, I would like you to write the sound oi, like as in toy. Oi, toy. Which sound is making the oi sound? Which letters do you need to write? Have you got it? No, it's not that one, not that one. It's this one. Oi, under y make oi. Okay. This time I would like you to make the sound U, like in statue. Which one is it? You, st, at, you. Statue. It's this one. Remember, this one can make both an oo sound, like glue, or u, like statue. So you should be pretty good with these sounds now. Say them as I point to them. A, oo, or u, ow, o, or, oi. You might like to have a go now at writing a word with each of those sounds in. You could do stay, glue, rescue, bird, phonics, loud, toe, or if you really wanted a challenge, potatoes, or like launch, enjoy. Bye for now.